Good morning. This is Entrevista Eskluzivā in English. In today's segment, we will be bringing you closer into the looks of the preparations and what to be expected into the most exciting and thrilling and anticipated event that will be happening very, very soon. Today. And so today in the studio of Tatoli, we are very honored to be interviewing the CEO of the event organizing team, which is Mr. Luís Simões, as well as one of Portugal's painter, Mr. Tomas João. Good morning and welcome to Tatoli.
Good morning. Thank you for the invitation.
Thank you. So we'll start off with Mr. Luís. What was your intention, or what was the idea of this event of
Tasifest? Everything started with the youth in Timor-Leste. Suddenly, I start to see that we don't really have a festival or activities attractive enough for the youth. So I come up with this idea because to be a response also for the sustainability in Timor-Leste and to try to create some awareness about waste management. But when we talk about youth, it's always difficult to understand them. The youth mindset, it's difficult to manage it. So we start to think about how we can do all of that, but the way how we can captivate the youth. So we come up with the idea of, okay, they love music, they love international artists, they love culture. So let's make a festival where we have music, art, and awareness together. So the awareness comes, looks like sometimes when we talk about Tasifest that it's the third thing, but actually it's the first thing. The others are the ways of us to convey the awareness that we really need and really want to convey through this festival.
And also with Tasifest, it combines music, art, culture, and as well as environmental awareness. How do you ensure that all these elements are well integrated into the program?
So in this festival, we don't bring just music artists. Of course, it's the ones that we most promote because of the ticket selling. We need to sell tickets to try to also help us with the expenses of the international artists. But with us, it's very, very important, the sustainability part, and we do different activities to respond to that. We don't have just music. We have also the workshops, we have also the seminars, focus on recycling, focus on blue economy, in green energy. So it's not just music. So we combine music with this part also, and we are the first festival and the only, and unfortunately I hope other event organizers also follow this lead, the only event in Timor-Leste with waste management. We recycle almost all the plastic that we produce during the festival, and something unique, it's like last year, and in our festival we use plastic bottles. So this year, the floor of our VIP lounge are made with the recycling material of these plastic bottles. Okay. So it's something unique and something that is there. People are not aware of it, but it's something that we are concerned about it and try to integrate very, very well.
Okay. And can you tell us a little bit about the artists that are involved with national and international?
Yeah. We have an amazing group of local artists, national artists, and the national artists to be part of Tasifest, something that they have to, they need to have their own songs. They can sing some covers, but the major should be their own songs. And through this, we are promoting and supporting artists to be more creative, to continue with that, with their heart. So we have this year Nuno Seixas, we have Clamar, we have Marvi, we have Quatro. We don't see a lot of concerts of him, and he's amazing artist. We have Quatro Cores, a very young group, and they are very, very funny, very creative. And I were in the sound check yesterday, and I were amazed with it. We have also DJ Quenza. We have DJ Winston. Everyone know him. We have a very good group and a very talented group of national artists. And to come and sing together with them, we have Angie. Everyone knows Angie, Dia. From Indonesia, we have DJ Nadia. We have also from Australia, DJ Cyril. He will arrive today, so we are very excited. And we have Ricky Lee also coming to perform on 7. And we have our amazing Kizomba artist, Rui Orlando. Everyone loves him. Me Leva Contigo, it's the most famous music in Timor-Leste. Everyone sing that music. And we have someone who don't really sing very well, because I try already, but and it's Tomas, our amazing artist from Portugal. He comes also to integrate not just the music, but all the sustainable part of our festival. He will be with the local artists together, combine it to produce some artworks, and we are very excited for that part also.
And yes, Mr. Tomas, welcome to Timor. I know that this is your first time being here. How does it feel? Anything?
Well, thank you for welcoming me. How does it feel? It feels really warm. I'm not talking about just the weather, I'm talking about the people. I think Timor has something that is unique in the whole world, which people are lovely. The kind of attention and love that I receive is something that I only experience here. So I think if the whole world knew about this, it would be an amazing and prosperous future that Timor would have regarding tourism and all those things. So yeah.
Wow, well, as a Timorese, I thank you very much for that. And can you tell us about your artwork or installation that you're presenting in this festival?
Yeah, of course. So I usually use nature to express myself. I usually use nature elements to make art pieces that seem that were made by nature. So what I'm trying to do is portray the message that was sent by nature to us humans, all right? So what I will do today, what I will do in this fest, not today, but so it will start with a mural, which I will use nature elements like, how you say, lianas?
It's some wood parts from
like it will seem that it was a tree that grew and made a drawing, right?
Okay.
And then I will make a workshop with whoever comes. But this is a thing that kids will love, but you can bring the whole family. And in this workshop, we will start to pick up trash from the beach, and with that trash, we will build art pieces that then people can take home and decorate their homes.
How did you become to be this sort of artist with this vision of creating this specific art?
Well, a lot of people say that I'm crazy, and they're not wrong. No, I think it all started with a dream, and I think that's one of the things that I'm doing here. I'm sure there is kids at sorry. I'm sure there is kids at home that have dreams, right? And I know there is a lot of stimuli that tells us to give up on our dreams and pursue a more stable future. But what I'm coming here to show also, it is that it's possible. And if there is kids that want to do it, do not think about the barriers, think about the goal, the end goal. And that's what happened to me, and someone else did that for me. Someone else showed me that it was possible, and if I can inspire someone here, I would be a very happy man.
And is there any surprises that we'll be expecting from any of your arts?
Yeah, for sure. But if it is a surprise, I cannot tell,
Right.
right?
Of course.
If you want to know the surprise, you need to come and
Okay.
experience by yourself.
Okay. And what was the creative process like when preparing for this festival?
So first, I have an image in my head, and then I have to understand how is it possible to do it here. If I have enough time, if I have the kind of materials that I need, if I have the structure and everything. And actually, I had everything, so it was just perfect. I just keep the image in my head, and actually, I have even a smaller. When I thought about it, I didn't knew that there would be so much people interested in it. So I kind of increased my expectation grew when I met the people, and when I knew that I was thinking, oh, okay, I will pick the trash in the beach. But then I come and I start to pick little trash, and then a lot of children's gather together, and I think, okay, this is a thing that we can do in group, and it can be much bigger conceptually than what I thought. So yeah, I think the love that people share here with me just made the art piece much better.
Oh wow! Okay.
And this is very something very, very important to mention. It's like, first of all, when people think we are bringing the international talent to come just to show their talent, it's not just that. It's much more about what Tomas João mentioned. It's like it's inspiring, because if we bring the artists here, they can people here also can see. If we bring an amazing and famous artist, the local artists can inspire themselves and have the connection and have that contact. Yesterday we had the press conference, and we had already discussions. Hey, can you collaborate with me? Let's do a music together. And we have João here also, Tomas João here also, inspiring and showing how to do art in a sustainable way and how to involve the local community. And it's funny that we are talking about that. It's like when we talk for the first time about what kind of piece I will do that. Okay, so we need to do the list of material. We need to, and I say, so Tomas, you come before, you come with time. So enjoy the environment, and we'll find everything what you need for your art for sure. And that's what actually happened. He just
We found more.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He just arrived. He just come and inspire himself. He see how is the people, how is the feeling of being here, and how people are so welcome to receive art and to be inspired by talented artists as Tomas João.
Okay. And with this festival, there's also seminars and workshops. Who is who are they aimed at with all this? And also what topics will be explored?
So about the seminars, they happen on 6 and 7 in the 6 and 7 of this festival. So it's Friday and Saturday in the morning, during the morning. Start at 9:30 until 11:30, and it's free of charge. It's public, open to public, so everyone can go to Tacitol to be part of these seminars. And in these seminars, it's not seminars that we are used to. It's not formal seminars. There is no a kick, someone expert to talk and someone listening. It's a much more sharing session where we put all the group of youth who already do amazing work in their communities, together with big companies, together with international institutions, together with young students, and have a discussion about different themes. So the main theme, and after each speaker invited have their own theme. The main theme in the first day it's related to food, sustainable food, and sustainable fishing. This is the main theme, and after all the speakers bring their own theme. The second big theme it's related to blue economy and green energy. So we have teams very broad, but at the same time with contents that we can really explore, and they are very, very important to Timor-Leste. And if we start to have more discussions with the young generation about these teams, I believe it's something very positive to Timor-Leste. About the workshops, they happen on 6 and 7 during the afternoon. So bring your family also. Let's put your hands in the heart and be with Tomas João doing some art. He is doing some surprises with including the inclusion part of the festival, because we really care about that. We are the only festival with sign language of our contents. Even the the video of presentation of all the artists have sign language. Yes.
Wow,
We have a VVIP area where we, so the VVIP, it's not for Emabot, it's for our people with some disabilities. So they are our VVIP because we believe they are so important in our society in Timor-Leste, and they are invited. They don't buy tickets. The VVIP area, it's a zone organized with ADTL and RHTO association. So both associations work with us, and we are very excited with the seminars and the workshops.
Wow, okay. And are there any challenges that was like into the whole planning of this Tasifest?
So many that I cannot really mention. But yes, but challenges make us strong, make us more resilient. And when I start to think together with my team about this festival, we know there will be so much challenges. And but we are overcoming all of them. We are creating a unique and amazing festival with amazing people together with us, coming from different parts of the world. We have an amazing team coming from Brazil, who comes just to do content for social media. They come as volunteers from Rock in Rio. They do Rock in Rio, Wonderland Festival. They have a lot of experience, and we are so excited. So team, if you are seeing this, thank you so much for your hard work. We are so happy to have you guys here. And again, they come as volunteers, but they don't come just to do it. They come to also at the same time give training for our team, for our local team. So this is what we want to build and create with our festival.
Okay. And to you, Mr. Tomas, as an artist, do you see any similarities between Portuguese and Timorese arts?
Yeah, I do. I see some similarities. But actually, I was thinking about one thing. There is one thing here in Timor that I have never seen anywhere else, and I think it's so rich culturally that the whole world should know about, which is, you might find it funny. It's the paintings on the trucks, on the big trucks. Okay. Like all that culture, like the aileron on top and the paintings. It's so unique and so characteristic of this country that I think the whole world should know about. I've never seen nothing like that. And obviously there is a lot of similarities, like the themes that you guys use, even I've seen some wall paintings. But what I'm trying to focus here is something that is very unique, and people from Timor-Leste might not even understand how rich and big that is. Yeah.
And just to also mention that this is why it's so important to bring also international artists to Timor-Leste. It's not just for them to come and show their art and inspire people, but also use their platforms and use the platforms that they have and visibility to promote abroad Timor-Leste, not just as the art part, but also a touristic part, a cultural part, and this is why we also involve these international artists, not just because they're huge talent that they have and we are huge fans of them, but because they also help us to convey this message and convey all of this richness of Timor-Leste to the world.
And through your art, what message do you want to convey to the public?
Right now, I want to convey a sustainability message. So I think there is a way to live, and actually Timor-Leste, it's already very good on it. But I think, well, we could always see more perspective, right? And yeah, I think there is ways to create where we can be more sustainable, where we can have more respect and have a more sustainable way of life. So yeah, that's what I'm trying to say.
Okay. And what kind of audience what kind of audience engagement or interactive elements can the public look forward to through this Tasifest?
So, go to Tasifest is an experience. It's not just a concert, it's not just listen music. Some people mentioned to me, but Luis, why I should pay the ticket to go to the festival if I can hear from outside or I can see some small parts in live streamings, because there is no streaming for the full concert. So people need to be there to have all the experience. But go to the festival, it's an experience of feeling. First of all, we have a group of restaurants who prepare special food, special snacks inside, and they are from local entrepreneurs in Timor-Leste, and they are doing an amazing job. We have some experience related to communication, and Timorese people love pictures. We have a lot of places to have an amazing pictures there. We are by the sea, so people come early to see an amazing sunset there. And I cannot reveal all of them,
okay,
but I can just say that going to the festival, it's an experience, unforgettable experience. Even today, people still say, Luis, good luck for this edition, because Calema last year it was amazing, I love it. So that's what I want. It's like to make sure people continue with this experience in their mind for 1 year, because it's once a year only.
Okay. And lastly, to Mr. Tomas, is there any messages that you would like to let the public know?
As a final message,
Yes, final message.
I would like to tell that to the public, that there is a lot of potential here. It's just a matter of Timorense people show to the outside what there is here and how rich this country is, environmentally, culturally, naturally. Because if the whole world knew about how good this is, they will be coming here every day.
Absolutely.
And congratulations to Timor, and thank you to all for receiving me. Thank you for Luis and all the team, and thank you to you too.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
And also to Mr. Luis, can you tell maybe just 3 words to describe this Tasifest and your final message?
Just 3 words.
Yes.
People, culture, and sustainability. That's the 3 words that I believe represent very well the festival. And I want to say thank you to everyone who supports us. Thank you so much for everyone who are with us every time, who are part of our team also. We have a lot of volunteers who work with us. They are so passionate, they work so hard, they work so many hours to make this happen, to show to everyone that Timor-Leste is ready to receive everyone with so much love, and show to the world that we are a country amazing to receive anyone, and please come visit us and be part of the Tasifest.
Okay. So thank you very much to Mr. Luis Tomas for coming here and sharing to us your vision behind the Tasifest Festival of 2025. And also to Mr. Tomas, we hope that your stay here will be as enjoyable as possible. I hope you enjoy every single second of it, and all the best of luck to you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
And to our viewers, we thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you later tonight in Tasitol.